Good morning, friends. Welcome to a live trading session where, right in the middle of the market, I show some of my trades to you, what is going on. And today, I have two advantages. Number one, I've taken a lot of short trades, and those short trades have worked very well. And what I'm feeling very good is now that when the market is correcting down, I have nothing in my portfolio. Nothing in my portfolio, which means the same stocks that I sold at a higher price are now available at a lower price too. Uh, as you know, I have two accounts, one a 3 lakh account, one a 7 lakh account. So here I was trading some stocks with my traders in the morning, ICICI Bank and Reliance, and I booked a small profit of 70 rupees. So I had a trader who's absolutely new and he booked 400 rupees and he was ecstatic. And I said, I know I can make money here. Then I had some swing trades I was carrying since Friday. Friday, if you know, I was doing some live trading, and there when I came to you around 11 o'clock, I had booked a profit of about 17,000 rupees in front of you. But after that, Reliance also moved up and Nifty also moved up. And that is the time when only when your stop losses will save you. So in one account, I finished with a profit of 16,300 rupees on Friday, the 7 lakh rupees account. In other account, I booked 3,572 in Reliance and Oro Pharma. But here, my stop losses were hit in Reliance also, Bank Nifty also. And if you remember, I was at about 6,000 rupees of profit that I had booked, and I finished my day with about 3,800 of losses. Remember that if a trade starts intraday, don't take it to the next day. Only a swing trade can be taken to the next day. And I finished my day that day with about 16,012 rupees of profit. Today also we were trading since morning. As you know, 9 to 11 is my online trading room in which I trade with my traders. That's why I can come to you only later. 9 to 11, we all trade together. More than 500 traders trade with me every day. So here, if you see, let's look at, this is the 7 lakh rupees account that I have, where I trade only futures and options. So if you see, I've already booked here 8,000 rupees of profit since morning. And I have a few nifty trades going on. I have a few nifty trades that are going on, and these are swing trades. I don't have to look at them for the rest of the day. Only by evening I will see how they are doing. But I've booked about 8,000 rupees. Half of that is in Reliance Industries. We'll have a look at Reliance Industries, and in the other account, as you see, I've already booked 4,290, and I have one trade that is going on, which is also a swing trade. So now that the market has come down, so let's start looking at the market. So most people have panic, and we have ecstasy because we trade both sides of the market, long and short. So let's look at the Nifty now. Nifty is what I analyze more in this market. If I look at the index, if I look at Nifty, so we see after having this big run up, Nifty came down almost till 11,450 rupees level. Then 2 days has jumped up. It was a small bounce that was coming, and now it has started its journey down. So if it breaks this level down, which will be a weak level now, it can easily come down to this level of about 11,275, which is also a Fibonacci level. So don't be very surprised. Why is it falling down? See, all those guys who had put money, mutual funds and others, they are sitting on good profits and they will book their profits now. So the market always will equalize and stabilize and come in a balance. So a disbalanced market will always become a balanced market at some time. So having a skill to short is a very important skill. Otherwise, when the market is going down, you will just feel helpless. So as you can see, I'm making money continuously. See here, I had that 1,50,000 rupees day, but that doesn't happen every day. Every day you can't make 1,50,000 on 10 lakh. That is a dream more or less. Sometimes it gets fulfilled, but this is a possibility. 19,000, 14,000, 50,000, 33,000, 16,000 and 11,000. Some my broker will take from me, some government will take from me, but they will still give me decent amount of money. In 6 continuous winning days, and every day I'm posting it on YouTube. You know, I've already booked 1,10,000 rupees. Instead of, looking for this big, I think this is a much better way to make money into the markets here. So let's look at a few stocks now. Let's check out Reliance Industries. So I've been trading Reliance aggressively for the last few days, and almost 90% of the profits, have come when I've aggressively traded here, plus Nifty, of course. So let's look at Reliance. This is what Reliance did, and right now we are seeing that again there is some buying coming into Reliance here. We had an uptrend that Reliance established, and Reliance for the moment is having an upward buying pressure. I've closed all my positions in Reliance. That is, exit is more important than entry. When you take an entry, you are only Abhimanyu. But if you can do both entries and exits, that's when you become Arjun. So as you can see here, I have closed all my positions in Reliance here, and here also, if you see, I have closed my positions in Reliance. I'll wait for the retracement to happen, and then I'll again go back into Reliance here. Another stock that you might want to look at this time, and which has become very oversold, is Jet Airways. So if I go to Jet Airways, government has appointed an observer, I've heard. Is it only our market that is falling down? Let's see. If I go here and let's look at the global markets. The US market was down on Friday. European market will open in the afternoon, and the Asian market is a mixed bag. In fact, Singapore Nifty is down 111 points. And I think that's the level that you should be looking for the Nifty also. So that's why I have some short positions in that going on, but they are with strategies, and proper stop losses. Never take trades without stop losses. So then, another stock that looks interesting, one is Jet Airways. So if let's add Jet Airways, I'll trim down my trading now. Why will I trim down my trading? I'm having continuous profits for 6 days. No profit booking spree lasts forever. I have to be mentally prepared that there will come a day when I'll be wrong, I'll not be able to read this market right. So I'll decrease the money into it, I'll decrease my position size, and that's how I will move into the market. And this is also a market which, as it will go down, will start giving you buying opportunities also. So if I'm looking at Jet Airways, see, this is another stock which has gone down a lot, and the management of this company is very different from the management of Kingfisher. This is not a Kingfisher. They're just passing through a tough phase, a rough phase, and now somewhere here it is started catching a bottom. Once a few more conditions are fulfilled into that, this might be a candidate for buy. Then, as I was mentioning earlier, one of the stock that I am seeing here, which is going down and down, is PC Jewelers, and they have. But since this has got a bad name, the reputation is bad. But if you start observing this and learn it properly, this might also give you a nice opportunity buy. So at this stage, I will happily sit on my 11,000 rupees of profit. Some of my trades are going on. I'm monitoring them. And if I see an opportunity coming of retracement, then I will take it. Nifty, I would like to remain short because this level looks weak to me. Nifty, I would like to remain short around 11,200, and that's where maybe I'll like to buy a little more of my portfolio. These are my own views, guys. Stock market is subject to risk. This is for educational purpose only. It is not a recommendation to buy and sell. What I want to show is how a professional trader operates by doing live tradings. A lot of people are, giving theoretical stuff. You can't put your real money based on theoretical stuff. And I trade like this every day with my traders. Thousands of traders have been trained. More than 500 trade with me every day. You can be one of them. And but for that, you have to learn it properly. There is huge amount of money into this market, both in long direction and short direction. And a large part of this market is psychological, where you have to understand your own psychology before you can go into the market. Okay, guys, so that's from my side. About 11,000 rupees booked already, and I have mostly index trades that are going on, and some of them are strategies where I will make money as long as the market remains in a range. Thank you very much. Trade with a stop loss, learn properly, then come here, and do not trade more than your capacity. All the best, and the trades are going on, and you can monitor them, check them. I've told you one or two ones. You can have a look at them. As the market comes to this level here, I think it will create some good buying opportunities also. Bye bye. See you again.